Subhashri and welcome to Glam Shades, a show where I review beauty products just for you. And today we have a very important product right in here. It is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Nivea claims that this product, this moisturizer right in here, is very fast absorbing क्योंकि इसकी formula काफी ज़्यादा light है. यही नहीं, it feels soft, smooth, supple and hydrated for a very long time. Nivea has been one of the trusted and leading brands in the world. It has been there in the beauty industry for over 100 years now, and हर वक्त time के साथ उनकी products काफी ज़्यादा update और evolve भी होती हैं. So guys, as you can see, it is a white color plastic tub right in here. बहुत comfortable size है, and when you hold it, it feels like it's a beautiful thing to actually carry. Logo आपको top में दिख जाएगा और दोनों साइड में भी दिख जाएगा. तो whenever you want to identify, it's really easy to identify the product. इसका screw on lid काफी ज़्यादा tight है and leak proof. तो leakage का कोई problem नहीं है. And then when you open it, there you go. The product is right here, and as you can see, it feels very soft और ये काफी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है. That is what I love about this product, and it smells amazing. The one that I have here actually ये 300 ml का है. लेकिन अगर आप traveling कर रहे हैं ज़्यादा and you really want something handy, इसके smaller sizes भी market में available हैं. So guys, choosing the right moisturizing cream or lotion is a very important step in a skincare regime. Because अगर आपने सही cream नहीं choose किया, then that can lead you to a lot of skin problems like acne, itchiness, inflammation, and the list goes on. First step is know your skin type. Now, if your skin is dry, make sure आपके moisturizing cream में hydration provided जरूर. But अगर आपका skin oily है, then you should go for a lighter formula and something that doesn't clog your pores. If you have a sensitive skin, you can do one thing. You can take a small amount of that product and apply it on any small part of your body and check if it reacts badly or is it suitable for you. The second factor is to know the ingredients of the product. So before buying any product, make sure कि आप उसके ingredients को बहुत अच्छे से देख लें. If it has antioxidant and antibacterial agent, that means it will make your skin look smoother and also healthier. अगर उसमें hyaluronic acid है और fatty acids है या उसमें glycerin, then it will provide a lot of hydration as well to the skin. Third thing to consider is that it should have no or mild fragrance. Always make sure कि आप ऐसे lotions या creams लें जिसमें बहुत mild या बिल्कुल fragrance ना हो, because these products have such ingredients जो आपके skin को harm कर सकते हैं और irritation भी provide कर सकते हैं. Make sure your skin is clean before application. Then take some cream from the jar. Rub it in your palms to make sure the cream is spread evenly over your skin. Gently massage all over your face and body. Repeat the steps if necessary. Use this cream every day for maximum results. And if you're looking for something to non-greasy ho, non-sticky ho, and lightweight ho, this is definitely something that you should try. Well guys, this was my review for Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I hope you use it and let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more.